the masculine essence or energy within us will get defensive. And what I usually like to ask guys is, what are you prioritizing that's not the relationship? Because in a lot of ways, when they get defensive, there's something that they have prioritized as more important. And so being able to start to understand, like, what is the priority in that space? Like, what are you protecting? What priority are you protecting? Are you protecting your sense of freedom? Are you protecting your ability to like provide? Do you think that you're protecting your partner from something? Are you protecting yourself from codependency? So starting to really get clear on what are you prioritizing instead of your partner or instead of the relationship right now, because that can be the access point sometimes for people to really start to see the like crap, like the coding that's running the show, when they sometimes can't see it in their very defensive position.